Hey guys, it's Samkler and today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to make the main base in ShowUp VIP. So let's get started with this quick and easy tutorial. So to get started, we're gonna start here in Serum. So this is gonna be a Serum video, and it's actually quite an easy base to do. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set one oscillator here, down in the pitch so that it creates the bass tone. And I'm gonna add a second oscillator with a more harmonics to it, something more gritty, something like that. I'm gonna turn off the random. I'm gonna play around with the phase until I find a area that I like the tone a lot. I'm gonna also add some bending just to make it a bit more crunchy. And then I'm gonna detune oscillator B. I'm gonna add some noise, so I really like the pink noise. I'm gonna distort it quite a bit. I'm gonna add some hyper here. I'm gonna add a separate sub to this. It's not necessary, but I like to add it. And last thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create an LFO shape like this. Just a really quick shape like this, something like this, set it to 1/8. I'm gonna set it here, LFO1, destined to master tune. I'm gonna set this, say, 12 semitones, and set it to envelope mode. And that's pretty much it for the Serum part. Now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna open up here my mixer, but before I do that, I'm gonna route this to mixer track, so it's routed to number 2. I'm gonna start adding some effects. I'm gonna start by adding some OTT to this. I'm gonna add an EQ to create a notch here. So I'm just gonna create a little notch. And I'm gonna add what really makes this bass stand out, which is Isotope Trash Shoe. So Isotope Trash Shoe has some really insane distortion modules, so you can extremely distort the sound. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create here a multi-band distortion. So I'm gonna take everything above 300 Hertz and I'm gonna apply a retro hard chip distortion with a lot of drive. And then I'm gonna crank up here the curve. So what this is doing, it's adding a bit of white noise to the high end and creating that very distorted. And then I'm gonna just decrease the mix here and the gain just a bit. And then on the low end, I'm gonna add a tape saturation to this with a nice little curve. And that's sounding pretty nice already. I can just adjust the gain values and mix values. We can add more OTT to this. Something that I like to do is I like to add more saturation, more distortion. So I'm gonna use this soft tube saturation knob. Some more EQing. Again, I'm gonna add another notch to this just because I really like how the notch sounds. And one last saturation module here, which is Saturn 2 with the warm tape. I found that the warm tape is one of the best sounding for this type of bass. I'm gonna set the output gain to 0. And now we can just play around here. I'm gonna add 1.2 dBs of gain here. Now what we have to do is just we gotta play around with the levels here a teeny bit in the Serum. Maybe now have it as detuned by adjusting the hyper and the fine tuning here. You can change the shapes here, just see what you like. And just by making these very small changes, you can change the tone of the bass. But essentially, this is the main part of the sound. It's just a very distorted and saturated tone that has a very nice feel to it, which is what I'm thinking that Riot did. Of course, it sounds as similar as I could get it. I'm not Riot, so I don't know how he made the bass, but this is just my interpretation of how he did it, how I think it's done, and how I want to show you guys how to do it. So if you guys liked this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more content, more videos. I got a few fun little videos coming up for you guys, so if you guys want to check that out, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I make a new video. Anyways, this was my Show Up VIP bass tutorial. Thanks for watching, and until next time.